AI.foxit.com isn't just for PDFs. You can also chat with images, whether it's a scanned document, a screenshot, or a photo of text. AI.foxit.com can extract and analyze information instantly. I took photos of my receipts from a recent business trip. Let's make these pictures talk. I'll upload the images. AI.foxit.com supports scanned documents, screenshots, and photos with readable text. Once uploaded, type a question into the chat box, and it will extract the text and provide an instant response. You can ask follow-up questions to get deeper insights. AI.foxit.com understands context, allowing you to refine queries, summarize content, or extract key details. This is perfect. I'll copy this and send it off to accounting for reimbursement. Chatting with images is super useful across other business tasks. Get insights from graphs and charts. Web developers can generate image descriptions and alt text quickly for accessibility. The image chat feature at AI.foxit.com makes it easy to extract text and interact with images as if they were live documents. Try it today and experience smarter document processing. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.